High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it can quietly damage your heart, arteries, kidneys, and even your brain without showing any early symptoms. But the truth is, your everyday diet can become one of your strongest weapons against it. In today's video, we're diving into 10 of the most powerful foods scientifically proven to lower blood pressure and strengthen your heart naturally and effectively. Whether you're trying to prevent hypertension, reverse high readings, or simply boost your overall cardiovascular health, these foods can make a life-changing difference. So stay with me until the very end, because the last few foods might surprise you, and the way you eat them could instantly impact your heart health. Number 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are among the most effective natural foods for lowering blood pressure because they deliver a powerful combination of nutrients that directly support cardiovascular health. Varieties including spinach, kale, arugula, collard greens, Swiss chard, beet greens, and romaine are rich in potassium, magnesium, and nitrates, 3 key nutrients for heart function. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in your bloodstream by supporting kidney filtration. The more potassium you consume, the more sodium your kidneys can remove, and lower sodium means lower blood pressure. This is crucial because most people consume far too much salt without realizing it. Magnesium, another essential mineral found in leafy greens, helps regulate blood vessel tone by relaxing the smooth muscles within the artery walls. A magnesium deficiency is strongly linked to hypertension, so these greens provide a natural correction. Perhaps the biggest benefit comes from dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that signals blood vessels to relax and widen. Wider vessels reduce pressure and support better overall circulation. For best results, aim to include leafy greens in at least 1 meal per day. Add them into smoothies, soups, omelets, wraps, stir-fries, or salads. Even blending a handful of spinach into a morning smoothie can support healthier blood pressure throughout the day. Number 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a secret weapon for heart health, thanks to their exceptionally high levels of lycopene, a potent antioxidant linked to reduced arterial stiffness and lower systolic blood pressure. Lycopene works by neutralizing oxidative stress, which is one of the leading causes of artery damage and plaque buildup. One of the biggest advantages of tomatoes is that their lycopene becomes even more powerful when heated. This means tomato sauces, pastes, soups, and roasted tomatoes provide higher concentrations than raw ones. Many clinical studies show that consuming cooked tomato products regularly can significantly lower blood pressure over time. Tomatoes also supply vitamin C, potassium, folate, and other heart-healthy antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and quercetin. These nutrients work together to reduce inflammation, balance electrolytes, and protect the lining of your blood vessels. If you're aiming for a stronger effect, incorporate tomatoes several times a week, for example in pasta sauces, salads, sandwiches, and roasted dishes. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like this video. It really helps the channel grow and lets us bring more valuable content your way. Number 3. Avocados. Avocados are one of the most complete heart health foods because they combine healthy fats, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber in a single nutrient-rich package. Their most notable benefit comes from their monounsaturated fats, which help reduce LDL cholesterol, the type that contributes to plaque buildup in your arteries, while simultaneously increasing HDL, the good cholesterol that helps clean your arteries. Many people don't realize that one whole avocado contains more potassium than 2 bananas, making it a powerful food for balancing sodium levels and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Avocados also contain magnesium, vitamin K, vitamin E, B vitamins, and carotenoids, all of which support healthy blood vessel function and help reduce inflammation, a key trigger for high blood pressure. The high fiber content supports stable blood sugar levels and helps promote a healthy weight. And since weight is closely tied to blood pressure, this creates an additional protective benefit. Add avocados to salads, wraps, breakfast bowls, smoothies, or enjoy them as guacamole. Just half an avocado a day can support your cardiovascular system in meaningful ways. Number 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, a family of antioxidants that have been scientifically proven to improve blood vessel function, reduce oxidative stress, and support nitric oxide production. These compounds help blood vessels remain flexible and responsive, which lowers overall blood pressure. Regular consumption of blueberries has been shown in studies to reduce the risk of heart attacks, improve cholesterol profiles, and reduce inflammation, one of the root causes of many many cardiovascular diseases. Blueberries are also rich in vitamin C, fiber, manganese, and other polyphenols that help protect artery walls from damage. They also help reduce insulin spikes, making them one of the best fruits for anyone trying to maintain stable blood sugar levels. For the best results, consume a handful of blueberries daily. You can add them to yogurt, oatmeal, salads, smoothies, or eat them as a snack. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which are among the most researched nutrients for heart health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including within artery walls, which is crucial for preventing plaque buildup and maintaining smooth blood flow. These fatty acids also help lower triglycerides, support healthy cholesterol levels, and improve the elasticity of blood vessels. They may even help regulate heart rhythm, reducing the risk of arrhythmias. Eating salmon 2 to 3 times a week provides enough omega-3s to make a noticeable difference in blood pressure levels and overall cardiovascular function. If you don't like fish, consider alternatives such as sardines, mackerel, chia seeds, flax seeds, or walnuts. But salmon remains one of the most potent sources. The vitamin D and selenium in salmon provide additional support by reducing inflammation and supporting healthy artery function. Number 6. Beans and legumes. Beans, including lentils, chickpeas, black beans, navy beans, pinto beans, and kidney beans, are packed with soluble fiber, potassium, magnesium, plant protein, and phytonutrients that work together to promote healthy blood pressure. The soluble fiber in beans helps trap excess cholesterol particles in the digestive system, preventing them from entering the bloodstream. This helps reduce plaque formation in arteries and supports long-term cardiovascular health. The combination of potassium and magnesium naturally relaxes blood vessels, helping lower pressure. Beans also support weight management because they are high in fiber and protein, which help you stay fuller for longer and stabilize blood sugar, both important for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Including beans in your meals at least 4 to 5 times per week can have a measurable impact on blood pressure levels. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic has powerful medicinal properties due to allicin, a sulfur compound created when garlic is chopped or crushed. Allicin has been shown to relax blood vessels, improve blood flow, and reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Garlic also supports nitric oxide production, reduces inflammation, and improves cholesterol levels. It may even help reduce arterial plaque formation over time. To get the most benefit, chop your garlic and let it sit for around 10 minutes before cooking. This activates the maximum amount of allicin. Fresh garlic is the most potent form, but aged garlic extract supplements have also been shown to significantly lower blood pressure in clinical studies. Number 8. Nuts. Nuts are among the most convenient heart-healthy foods because just a small handful delivers an impressive range of cardiovascular benefits. Walnuts contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that supports artery health and reduces inflammation. Almonds provide high amounts of magnesium, healthy fats, vitamin E, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. Regular nut consumption is linked to a lower risk of heart disease because nuts reduce arterial stiffness, support healthy blood sugar levels, and help regulate appetite, which makes weight management easier. Aim for a handful of nuts per day, ideally raw or lightly roasted without added salt. Number 9. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, especially varieties containing 70% cocoa or higher, is rich in flavonols, antioxidants that help increase nitric oxide levels in the blood. This helps blood vessels relax and dilate, lowering overall blood pressure. Research has shown that moderate consumption of dark chocolate can reduce systolic blood pressure and improve blood flow. Cocoa also contains magnesium and polyphenols that help reduce inflammation and support heart function. However, moderation is key. A small square of high-quality dark chocolate a few times per week is enough to provide cardiovascular benefits without adding too much sugar. Number 10. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, including oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes, are loaded with vitamin C, potassium, folate, flavonoids, and soluble fiber. These nutrients help reduce arterial inflammation, improve blood flow, repair damaged blood vessels, and support overall heart function. Vitamin C is particularly beneficial because it helps reduce oxidative stress, which plays a major role in hypertension. Citrus fruits also support hydration, which is essential for regulating blood volume and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Try eating whole citrus fruits daily, or squeeze fresh lemon or lime into your water for a refreshing, heart-healthy drink. Thanks for watching, my friend. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me which heart-healthy food you'll be adding to your diet first. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to bring you more life-changing health content. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.